Alright, I want to simplify this expression over here. And I start off by taking everything out of the brackets. And there's no coefficient on both of the set of brackets, so we just take them out as they are. So x squared, 7x squared plus 3xy minus 2y squared plus 8x squared minus xy minus y squared. And then we group the like terms together. We have the x squared here and another x squared term over here. So we group them as 7 plus 8 is 15 x squared. And then we have the xy term, 3xy minus xy. So plus 2xy minus 2y squared minus y squared. So minus 3y squared. And then finally we want to check if this factors. So the product of the coefficient of the first term and the third term is minus 45. Is there any set of two numbers that make a product of negative 45 and a sum of 2? I don't think so. So this expression does not factor, so it cannot be further simplified. So here's the answer.